My ass got bad. It's got horrible freaking accuracy.
Yeah, get money. Oh.
Up at the base, turn this way.
My ass.
You didn't get first blood though. Oh, maybe it is good. Well, I was trying to freaking hit this one UAV and it would not hit it. Oh my god, dude.
Ooh, ooh. Yeah! Lucky asshole. Wait, where are they?
Right, up, right there. Right in there.
Go right here.
Yeah, right in there. And go hide.
You get shit. I know, I told you I should have just done it right in the middle.
Hey, but...
Chopper gunner. Yes.
Dude, Dustin, you know I'm recording this all right now. Dustin.
Where are these guys? Don't cry me.
You would have gotten a nuke, dude. Oh shit, dude.
Oh, what the fuck is that nuke?
You haven't died yet. One more. Kill someone quick so I can...
Oh, have nukes, eh? I would have had nukes right there.
So I can put 25 kills per person.
I'm hiding in it.
Dude, look how much you put up your team, dude.